Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As the title suggests, I've been on a mission for 5 days to find a perfect set of PC speakers. Ones that were really going to blow me away. Now I almost dropped £150 on a set. But something crazy happened. I found this TV sound bar left outside for the bin men on garbage day. But it ended up being way better than anything I was looking at. I'm going to show why I'm so glad I didn't go for those expensive speakers and why this soundbar is now my go-to audio PC setup. Let's check it out.